Welcome to Ed's Start Learning ABC School Compound, where learning the ABC to Z becomes a grand outdoor adventure. Get ready to learn the alphabet from A to Z in the most exciting way possible. A colorful train is on its way, bringing each letter one by one full of surprises, songs, and silly fun. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, it's time for an alphabet treat. We'll play, jump, and sing as we discover what each letter has to say. All aboard the ABC Express. Our first stop, the amazing, awesome letter A. What words begin with A? Let's find out together. This is the amazing letter A. Hey friends, whether you're at home or school, let's shout it out together. A?
A.
Can you say it louder? Can you say it while jumping up and down? Learning letters has never been this much fun.
Which fruit do we have here? An apple. A is for apple, crunchy and sweet. Some are red, while some are green. What we have next? An ant. A is for ant, tiny and neat. I work all day, looking for food.
This is the amazing letter B. Hey friends, whether you're at home or at school, let's shout it out together. B. Can you say it louder? Can you say it while jumping up and down?
Jane is writing letter B. What do we have here? A ball. B is for ball, bouncing all day. What do we have now? A ballon. B is for ballon. And B is for book that we read and write in. This is the cool, clever, and amazing letter C. Hey friends, whether you're at home or at school, let's say it out together. C. Can you say it louder? Can you say it while writing it on the board? C. Learning letters has never been this much fun, and the letter C is just the beginning of the fun things we'll discover. C is for cat. C is for cake. Also, C is for cap. This is the daring, dynamic, and delightful letter D. Hey friends, whether you're at home or at school, let's say it out together. D. Can you say it louder? Can you dance while saying D? Learning letters has never been this much fun, and letter D is here to keep the adventure going. Frides. What do we have here? A cute dog. D is for dog. Frides. What do we have here next? A beautiful drum. D is for drum. Frides. What do we have here next? A playful duck. D is for duck. This is the exciting and energetic letter E. Hey friends, whether you're at home or at school, let's say it out together. E. Can you say it louder? E is electric, and learning with it is epic. Let's keep the ABC fun rolling. What do we have here? An elephant? E is for elephant. What do we have here? An egg. E is for egg. What do we have here next? An eagle. E is for eagle. This is the fun, fabulous, and fantastic letter F. Hey friends, whether you're at home or at school, let's say it out together. F. Can you say it louder? F is full of fun, and it's taking us further on our alphabet adventure. Can you write letter F? What do we have here? It is a fan. F is for fan. What do we have here? It is a fish. F is for fish. What do we have here next? It is a frog. F is for frog. This is the great, giggly, and glorious letter G. Hey friends, whether you're at home or at school, let's shout it out together. G. Say it louder. Can you gallop like a goat while giggling? G is a goofy good time, and the alphabet adventure just keeps getting greater.
This is letter G. Friends, let us write G on our board. G is for goat, very playful and stubborn. G is for gate, open and close it all day. Also, G is for gift. We receive it on our birthdays.
This is the happy, helpful, and hilarious letter H. Hey friends, whether you're at home or at school, let's say it out together. H. Can you say it louder? Can you clap and laugh with a huge H? H is here to bring heaps of happiness, and we're having a blast learning together. Here comes the beautiful and happy letter H. A horse. H is for horse. Strong and beautiful, fun to ride on. Let's meet these happy kids wearing a hat. H is for hat. We wear it on a friend's birthday. What do we have here next? A house. H is for house. It keeps us safe and happy. This is the interesting, incredible, and imaginative letter I. Hey friends, whether you're at home or at school, let's shout it out together. I. Can you say it louder? I is inspiring, and it's inviting us to imagine all the amazing things we'll learn next. Oh, what do we have here with my friends? An ice cream. I is for ice cream. Sweat and yummy. Good to eat all day. I can see an insect here in the classroom. I is for insect. They destroyed our food and clothes.
That's the end of part A of our ABC learning adventure from letter A to letter I. Wasn't that fun? But guess what? The journey isn't over yet. Part B is coming soon, with even more exciting letters to explore. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and tap the notification bell so you don't miss part B and all our other fun learning videos. Share this video with your friends and family. Learning is better when we do it together. Thanks for watching, and see you in part B. Keep singing, smiling, and learning your ABCs.